Today I bring you the top 10 of Microsoft's latest and upcoming AI tools. Without further delay, let's delve into these exciting AI innovations. Starting at number 10, we have Microsoft 365 Copilot. This AI-powered assistant is your perfect partner for everyday tasks. From drafting emails, crafting presentations, to translating documents, Copilot has got your back. And it doesn't stop there, it can even generate creative content, be it a heart-touching poem or a piece of code. It's like having an extra pair of hands, or rather an extra brain. Truly, Microsoft 365 Copilot is reinventing the way we work. At number 9, we have the AI-powered Bing and Edge. They're not your average search engine and browser. With the power of AI, Bing delivers search results that are more relevant and informative. But it doesn't stop there. Edge comes with a suite of AI features, translating web pages, generating text summaries, and even answering your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. Got an open-ended, challenging, or just plain strange question? Edge has you covered. Bing and Edge are making the internet smarter, one search at a time. Number 8 on our list is the Microsoft Security Copilot. This AI-powered assistant is revolutionizing the cybersecurity landscape. It's designed to assist security teams in identifying and responding to cyber threats promptly and efficiently. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that never blink, constantly scanning for potential risks. With the power of artificial intelligence, it enhances security operations, making them faster, smarter, and more responsive. With Microsoft Security Copilot, cyber threats have met their match. Coming up at number 7 is Azure OpenAI Service. This tool is a boon for developers, providing access to powerful AI models like GPT-3 and Codex. Imagine being able to leverage the processing power of these models to create more intelligent and responsive applications. From chatbots to virtual assistants and beyond, the possibilities are vast. With Azure OpenAI Service, developers can drive innovation and create truly transformative experiences. Azure OpenAI Service is truly a game changer for developers.
At number 6, we have GitHub CoPilot X. This isn't just any tool, it's your AI pair programmer. It understands context, making suggestions to help you craft your code faster and more accurately. Whether you're hammering out a complex function or simply need a bit of syntax help, GitHub CoPilot X is there with you, every step of the way. It's like having an experienced developer sitting right next to you, guiding you through the process. GitHub CoPilot X is rewriting the code on coding.
Number 5 on our list is Bing Image Creator. This ingenious tool is powered by advanced AI, and it's transforming the way we visualize ideas. Imagine typing in a description and seeing it come to life as an image. That's exactly what Bing Image Creator does. It takes your words, understands the context, and generates a corresponding image. It's like having an artist at your fingertips, ready to paint your thoughts. Bing Image Creator is turning words into pictures. Coming in at number 4 is Microsoft Mesh. This cutting-edge platform uses artificial intelligence to create hyper-realistic avatars and immersive environments. Imagine attending virtual meetings as lifelike avatars, conducting training sessions in simulated settings, or demonstrating products in 3D right from your living room. While still under development, Microsoft Mesh promises to revolutionize the way we work and collaborate, blurring the lines between physical and digital worlds. With Microsoft Mesh, the future of collaboration is here.
Number 3 on our list is Azure Percept. This innovative AI-powered platform is a game changer for developers. It's designed to assist in the creation of real-time, data-collecting Internet of Things devices like smart cameras, sensors, and even industrial robots. Think of it as a catalyst, sparking a new generation of smart, connected devices that can sense, reason, and act in the real world. While it's still in development, Azure Percept holds immense potential. Indeed, Azure Percept is reshaping our interaction with the world. Coming in at number 2 is Azure Cognitive Services for Language. This remarkable tool arms developers with robust language processing capabilities. Imagine the potential: text translation, speech recognition, and natural languages understanding all at your fingertips. This is the fuel for innovation, powering the creation of chatbots, virtual assistants, and machine translation tools. The landscape of communication is changing, and it's no longer about what we say, but how intelligently we can convey it. Azure Cognitive Services for Language is redefining communication. And the number 1 spot goes to Azure Cognitive Services for Speech. This marvel of technology empowers developers with speech processing capabilities. Imagine recognition, synthesis, and translation all bundled together. It's like having a linguistic expert in your pocket, but it's artificial intelligence doing the hard work. Developers can use these capabilities to create chatbots, virtual assistants, and voice-controlled devices. It's as if we're giving a voice to our devices, and in a way we are. Azure Cognitive Services for Speech is giving voice to innovation. And there you have it. The top 10 AI tools from Microsoft. From transforming email writing with Microsoft 365 Copilot to empowering developers with Azure Cognitive Services. It's an exciting time for artificial intelligence. Stay tuned for more updates on the exciting world of AI.